today's video I have the September Look Fantastic box. Hey guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today's video I always struggle getting into here. Today's video is the September Look Fantastic box. If I can get into it, I will give you a sneak peek. This costs, I am destroying this. This box costs £15 per month, or you can get a yearly subscription and it works out at £13 a month. I have a link, I'll pop it down below in the information box. I think with that link, or there's a code, everything's down below in the information box or the comment box, you'll get a £5 off, but double check that just to be on the safe side. It is a sneak peek. It doesn't seem very full. We don't get an edit booklet, we get a little card. This just says this edit is called In the Spotlight, and then we will scan the QR code and hopefully bring up the digital edit card, which will have information on all of that in there. So we have some advertisements in here, but yeah, let's get in here and have a bloody good look. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So let's just scan this. Perfect. We have the information. The first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Eve Lom, and this is a cleansing balm. There's 20 mils in here and it has a value of £20. It just says a multi-purpose balm combining the brand's signature blend of 4 aromatic plant oils to promote glowing, radiant, smoother looking skin. Clove oil encourages clear, clarified skin, while Egyptian chamomile oil and cocoa butter softens, soothes and conditions the skin. It provides a deep yet gentle cleanse, easily melting away dirt and makeup, even stubborn waterproof formulas, while gently exfoliating and decongesting without drying and stripping the skin. Yeah, cool. I love a cleansing balm. I've only had 1 or 2 things by this brand which I've kind of enjoyed, so I'm really glad to get a cleansing balm by them to test this on out. I'm not going to open it because I don't want any germs to get in there before I actually use it, but yeah, lovely brand. Second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Pixi Beauty and it's a blush duo in peach honey. This has a value of £8. It just says an enlivening blush and highlighter duo that gives a lit from within glow with one swipe. Super silky and hydrating. The natural mineral formulas bluff and blend easily into the skin, adding a pop of colour to the cheeks while enhancing radiance for a strobe-like finish. The glistening, long-wearing blush duo also helps to keep your skin from looking dry with a hydrating infusion of vitamin E. Combine both sides in one sweep for a quick on-the-go radiance. Yeah, I've got 1 or 2 of these in my makeup drawer already from other beauty boxes that I get, but yeah, I have tried this once or twice and it is stunning. This is so cute, but let me just show you. I'm just rubbing on both sides there so you can see both colours, but yeah, isn't that absolutely stunning? I love both, and yeah, when they are mixed together it's a third shade that's just as gorgeous. But yeah, really like that. Third and fourth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand We Are Paradox, and guys, we have a matching set. This makes me so happy. So this is the hair growth thickening shampoo and conditioner. So it just says a thickening shampoo that encourages the illusion of fuller looking hair. The plant-powered formula cleanses the length of impurities and nourishes the scalp in order to promote optimal conditions for healthy hair growth, ideal for fine hair types. The shampoo utilises a blend of biotin, caffeine and ginseng to help each strand feel stronger. Argan oil, an ingredient packed full of vitamins and fatty acid, plumps the hair with moisture, while rosemary oil lends the scalp a soothing effect. And also the nourishing conditioner leaves hair looking fuller and supports healthy hair growth. vegan keratin, hyaluronic acid and eucalyptus to help build bonds and strengthen strands whilst encouraging elasticity. Coconut oil helps prevent hair breakage by penetrating the hair strands for a silky smooth finish. I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to use these. Again, did I mention that I'm happy that I've got a matching set? Totally forgot to mention the shampoo has a value of £9, the conditioner has a value of £10.50. So the fifth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Gruum, and this is a Sapper Body Bar in the scent Sweet Rose. It's 45 grams of bar that we have. It's worth £8. It just says, look after your skin with Gruum's Sapper Body Bar, designed to gently cleanse the body and refresh with every use. I'm sorry if I am reading so slow. The writing is so small, I'm really struggling to see it. It's all of a sudden shrank and I can't get it to go bigger. Completely free from any plastic packaging and made from 100% naturally derived ingredients. The Hyperangelic Body Wash boasts a creamy consistency that lathers generously for an indulgent bath or shower experience. It's travel friendly and can easily be kept in storage container to use on the go. Yeah, that actually sounds nice. I must admit, I'm not one for body bars. I've used a few in the past. That really stinks of rose. If you don't like the rose scent, you're not going to like this. But yeah, it is a nice size, definitely perfect for travelling. At least you've got that peace of mind knowing it's not going to leak everywhere. The sixth product I've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand 111 Skin, and this is a cryo depuffing eye mask. There's just one set of eye masks in here. It has a value of £13. It says an eye mask that helps to target dark circles, alleviate puffiness and bring lasting resilience to your under eyes. The ultra moisture locking hydrogel mask wraps closely around the contour of your eyes, infusing the skin with active ingredients from seaweed to help reduce morning inflammation. It also harnesses benefits from vitamin E to help boost eye area's cell function. Powerful peptide complex helps to strengthen the delicate under eye area and works to slow the aging process. Yeah, if it does all that, freaking awesome, especially the aging process. Yes, please. I love a good eye mask. I've mentioned it loads of times before. I just whack them on. You're normally supposed to leave them on for a certain amount of time and take them off. I just whack them on and get on with whatever chores I've got to do. If I'm reading a book, if I'm cleaning, anything, I just leave them on until I remember to take them off. But yeah, really, really good brand. Right guys, so this is the September Look Fantastic box. This edit is called In the Spotlight. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a nice little box. I really, really like it. I think it's got a great value to it. It's got some nice products in there and some really nice brands. When I initially opened the box and I was like, oh crap, there's hardly anything in here. But yeah, looking at the products individually, not bad at all. So did I mention that I'm super, super, super happy that we have a matching shampoo and conditioner? So that gets brownie points with me straight away. Love the eye masks. I can't wait to try them out. I love that brand. Really, really nice for skincare. Yeah, this is really gorgeous. I have a few of them. I've used them and yeah, really lovely on the skin. I've never had an Eve Lom cleanser before, so super excited to try that out. And the body wash bar, it will get used, but not something I get excited about, but it's a nice product to have in the box nonetheless. So yeah, comment down below, let me know your thoughts. But yeah, that concludes this video. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.